Okay, here's some quick instructions as to how to take your show what you know Google slide and put it on the Padlet. So here is the Google slide that I made. The first thing you're going to do is you have to change the share settings. So you're going to click up here on share. Yours is going to say down here something probably like private or Mechanicsburg, and you are going to click on that. And you'll see you'll get a choice between restricted, Mechanicsburg Area School District, and public. And you want to choose public. So you'll click public, and then it'll say anyone with this link, and then you're going to hit done. So that's the first thing that you have to do when your slide is ready to go. The second step is you're going to go under File. You're going to go under Download, and then choose JPEG. Right here, JPEG image, and it will send it right here. And you'll see right down here at the bottom of your screen, it will have the name of your slide. Mine is What You Should Know Before You Order Indian Food, and the JPEG. So you have that there. Now you are going to open up your, whatever your class Padlet is. So I'm just going to choose this one. You'll pick the one that is for your class. All right, it'll have the name of your class up here. And then you're going to hit the plus sign for add post. And then you will hit, well, you're going to put the title of it. So mine is on curry. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Curry. Then you're going to put your name here. And then you're going to hit upload. And then it's going to say picked file. Now mine shows up here, but that's because I already practiced this. So you're going to have to go to your downloads. And once you have your download, it'll be here, or you can do a search for it. If you've put it on your desktop or wherever you put it, then you'll hit open. There we go. And there it'll be. And then we'll be able to see it. And then for people, for students to view it, they'll just click on it like this, and you can see it that way. You can also make it bigger if you want to open it in a new window, but it should look like this when you are finished, and then you're done.